Hello everyone, welcome to the second tutorial. In this, we will be applying static simulation on a lifting bracket. So open the supplied file, lifting bracket. Now let's go to the simulation workspace. Create static steady. Now we want to simplify our file. So we want to remove these internal fillets from our body. So let's go to the simplify, click on modify and select remove features. Deselect all and make sure that only fillet option is selected. Now select the body. Now use this feature size slider to mark the fillets that need to be removed. So we only want to remove these inner fillets. So we will place the slider here and click on delete and close. So we see that our fillets are removed. Now click on finish simplify. Now we want to apply steady material to our workpiece. So let's go to the steady materials, select all the three options and change the material to aluminum 6061 and click on OK. Now we want to apply constraints to our design. So go to structural constraints, select pin constraint and make sure all the three options are selected and make this bottom hole as pin and click on OK. Now the next step is we want to apply structural loads. So we want to apply a 500 pound force on both of these holes. So select both of these holes, change the unit to pound force and we want to apply a 500 pound force and make sure the force per entity is selected and click on OK. Now we want to apply a contact between the upper pins and the main body. So let's go to automatic contacts and click generate. Now we can see the precheck the study has all the required information. Now we can solve our study. We can either solve it locally or on cloud. The cloud will use up 5 cloud critics. So now we can see that our study has been solved. Let's go to the stress and we can see the areas in which most of the stress is developed. Let's click on finish results. Now if we want to make any changes to our body in the workpiece but make the loads and constraints to be remain same, we can simply clone a study. So click on clone study. Now we can see that the load cases remain unchanged in this clone study. So here we can simply go to simplify, click on create sketch, select the surface, select line and draw a straight line from these two points. Click on finish sketch. Now let us extrude this part. So let us extrude this part up to this and click on OK and click on finish simplify. Now we see that all the constraints, contacts and loads and the steady materials remain same. We have made some changes to the body of a workpiece and we can simply again solve this study either locally or on cloud. Now that the study 2 has been solved, we can now see the results for simulation study. Let's go to the stress and we can see the areas in which most of the stress is developed. So now we can see that our study 2 has been solved. So we will save the file. Hope you liked the video.